Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Over the Memorial holiday, we grilled some chicken hearts and I did a quick recipe to share it with you guys. Chicken hearts is one of my favorite giblets from the chicken, so I wanted to grill it and show you guys what I did. This one is going to be really easy to put together. You're going to start with your cleaned and washed chicken hearts, and we're going to add salt. Add salt to your taste preference. Green seasoning, which I'll link the recipe for down below. In goes 1 tablespoon of best barbecue seasoning, or any barbecue seasoning you have on hand. This is what I'm using. And we're going to give this a mix. That's it. You see how simple those seasonings are? And the best barbecue seasoning adds so much flavor. So I went ahead and I placed the hearts on skewers. And then I'm placing them over my grill. We're going to grill these for about 8 to 10 minutes and turning them halfway. Now once you grill them and you turn them halfway, that's when you'll baste them with any sauce you like. I used a mixture of the sweet chili and a honey barbecue. So whatever barbecue sauce or whatever teriyaki sauce you would like to use, by all means go ahead and do that. This is just a really quick, simple recipe that I came up with, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So flip it halfway, as I said, and then here you will see me basting it. A simple barbecue sauce will work just fine, and once they're done, you can enjoy them. They're best served hot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you try it, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.